Well, I'm on the big island of Hawaii, and I'm out for a sunrise shoot. Instead of facing the sun, however, I'm facing away from the sun, and that is because I am lazy. I didn't feel like driving that far, and where I'm staying I get great sunsets, but not great sunrises. So the goal this morning is to shoot some crashing waves on some really black lava rock. And I really want to try to get that contrast between the whites of the waves and the black of the rock. So I've been trying to search around for a composition before it gets too bright and the light goes to crap. And hopefully I can find something good. Well, I think I found a good composition. Water sort of comes in, swirls around a bit and leaves, and I think we can get some nice, somewhat longer exposures. For this kind of scene, I'm probably using about 1/3 of a second, and that'll capture the movement of the water without making it too blurry and mushy. And you get some nice crisp lines with the white against the black. Let me just get all my settings set up, get some shots. Shooting the waves both as they come in and also as they recede. You just want that movement in the water, and you get it both ways. That going out sometimes is better. You see a little bit more black in the rock. That was an amazing shot. This is unbelievable. It's so good. God, fantastic. Well, the morning's getting even better now. I thought I'd be shooting this in black and white, but I'm actually getting some color in the sky now. The sun behind me is bouncing off some clouds that are actually sitting over Maui. And so this might be good in color and in black and white.